Hey, welcome back, fellow beginners and wannabe crypto traders. Today we're gonna be updating once again what is going on in the market, and I just saw something really amazing happening, and I just had to do this update. Alright guys, let's not waste any more time and jump straight into it. What we see right here is Bitcoin on the 1 hourly time frame chart. And as we have pointed out in the previous videos already, it has been ranging for a very long time. And now finally, we are able to identify a strong uptrend going into resistance, and finally Bitcoin breaking out of this resistance, breaking out of this range. What I want to see from Bitcoin right now, I want to see a bigger breakout with an impulsive move to the upside, possibly a retest of this range once again, and then just continuing the pump all the way to the upside towards $25,000. This is what we are looking for at the moment. This range has been going on for so long, and so many people have been talking about this is a distribution, this is gonna nuke, this is the biggest bull trap ever. And what do we see at the end right now? Bitcoin is finally breaking to the upside, and we need full support of the bulls to make the impulsive move to the upside right now. Alright guys, now we are taking a look at Litecoin as well on the 1 hourly time frame. Here you can still see our notes and scribbles from the previous videos explaining you how to trade this range. And once again, it played out perfectly. We longed the bottom of the range, we longed the deviations, and we were looking for the top of the range highs. And Litecoin broke out with an insane move over the night with over 5% in just one candle. This is showing the strength that we need to see everywhere right now. Litecoin is moving past the resistance, is having a little bit of a consolidation here. I would not be surprised if it comes down just a tiny bit to retest the range once again, and then just continues its push over and above the $100 mark, which we can see right here. This is our target for Litecoin right now, and we need to see Litecoin just push through with the full force that every Litecoin supporter has at the moment. Now guys, we go to Ethereum on the 4 hourly time frame chart. And what do we see right here? We see a pretty strong downtrend resistance which has been retested many times, and it has been broken to the upside. And the liquidity of this range that we can see right here between the yellow and the green line has been tested multiple times. Now finally, Ethereum is starting to break this resistance once again. What I would love to see is this 4 hourly candle or the one after closing above this green line. In fact, if we extend this previous range low and now range high, extend a little bit higher, we would like Ethereum to close exactly above $1,625. If it does that, it confirms for the bulls and every trader that Ethereum finally has the strength that it needs to make another push. And actually the breakout target would be here at $1,800. So if we do see, once again, this is the rule that I told you guys on the last video. If this, then that. If we do see a candle close above $1,625, we can then expect a push towards $1,800. This is extremely important for Ethereum, and all the bulls for Ethereum, and anyone who is bullish on Ethereum, watch this 4 hourly candle close on Ethereum. This is going to be deciding a lot of things for the next week. And just as on the previous video, we're going to end up this video with RUNE on the 4 hourly time frame chart. Because on the previous video, the price was down here and I told you guys about my favorite pattern to trade. And this is what happened once again. Maybe our editor is gonna put a recap on what we said on the previous video.
Flashback.
And I wanted to show you guys this coin because it has a very beautiful uptrend. The market structure is pointing to the upside. It's trending upwards. but we are seeing here a very flat resistance every single time. This is one of my favorite patterns and one of my favorite things to trade, to be honest, because it is very, very simple. Once you have this, that means you're grinding against that resistance multiple times, and the sellers are running out every single time more and more, and once the price is hitting this resistance. At some point, after hitting the resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even 11 times, the sellers are gonna be like, okay, this is enough selling for me. I have exited my positions enough. I have taken profits more than enough. And then you see incredible pumps to the upside.
1 week later.
And as you can see right now, we did see this breakout and retest of the range highs of exactly this pattern. And RUNE is starting its move to the upside right now. We are actually entering a long position at the moment and expecting a strong move to the upside. It could become a parabolic move. It could be just a smaller move to the upside, which is gonna come back down again. This is totally fine. But based on the rules that we have and based on the rules of this pattern that I was telling you guys about also in the previous video, we are entering a long position right now and expecting a bigger move to the upside. Alright guys, if you want to find out what is going to be happening with the coins in the next week and how I'm going to be trading everything and I'm going to be approaching the next week of trading, stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like and maybe put on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next updating video, so that you're able to take the trades that we are taking as well. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.